Hello everyone, I'm Matt at Torque King. Today's product highlight video is the TK21014. It is a 2 3/8 rounded hex rear spindle nut that replaces the Ford 614252. This spindle nut is for 1969.5 and older Ford F-250 Dana 60 rear axles. This premium high quality spindle nut is made right here in the USA from hardened steel and is CNC machined to be a precise replacement part for the long time out of production part. It has a black oxide finish for corrosion resistance. Be sure to order 4 per vehicle. Also, we have the correct spindle nut socket to properly take it off. It is the QT1059i. By having this socket, you don't have to use your crescent wrench or vice grips. You can save those tools for another project. It's always best to have the right tools for the job. And here at Torque King, we have many premium, high quality, made in the USA tools that will help you get your rig back on the road. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.